everyone, what is up y'all? It's your girl Life with a Fit TV, back with another video. Happy holidays. So as you guys know by the title of the victim, it's gonna get a little tea. So I do have a special guest coming over or whatever. So I'm trying to feel a vibe out. This might be my next victim, this might not, I don't know. Y'all let me know how y'all like this video and how y'all think the vibe is throughout the video. And let me know what y'all think I should do. I'm gonna go off y'all word, nobody else, it's not even his. But make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. So today I am making, my friend is making me make potatoes from scratch. So I am gonna start this so it won't take too long. So I'm making potatoes, salmon, and I'm also making broccoli. So we're about to get into this video, but I am about to start with the potatoes first so that won't take too long. So just watch me work.
Oh, what? She's getting up at 8 a.m. so the food will be done by 12.
But she still have to do your hair, Destiny. If I get up at 12, cabbage go take, what, 2 hours?
No, you need to get up at 10 so the food could be done. Yeah, what are you cooking? The salmon in the oven or the stove?
In the oven.
This the only pan you got?
It's a cake pan. It says it.
Oh, well, you don't got big pieces in there,
Mm-mm. It's a cake pan too.
No, you could bake them, but I was saying, like, is the salmon going to fit in there?
Is the salmon what?
I was wondering if the salmon was going to fit. That's why I asked.
Oh yeah, it's gonna fit.
Cause I know.
Okay, so y'all, this is the salmon. This is very cute. I ain't never used this before. If it burn, we just go eat somewhere else.
Yo, what?
Yeah. I never used this before. I don't even know if I could use this. But it say I can put cakes in it. Wow. No, you.
Put it in the sink. Well.
Okay, let's put the time on. What time is it? So we gonna take that as 8:20. Bro.
And bro, it's not.
Oh my god. Here, after you wash it, then you go put it in here.
You see that?
Okay, well put it in there. You eat broccoli?
Yeah.
Okay.
Again, you trying to feed the homeless too?
I'm not trying to feed no homeless.
You fucked up. You fucked up.
We should go feed the homeless one day.
You ain't trying to feed the homeless, it's crazy.
We could have fed the homeless today.
What today?
What you trying to peel the broccoli?
I was gonna cook it. You know, broccoli not real, like real vegetables. It's like man-made. It's not like actual. It's still good though. But like, I don't know.
Bro, you got hair all up here. You're very hairy.
Thank you.
It's not a compliment.
Oh.
This is cute. Struggling. You got it? Okay. Okay, so now you can put some butter. And then that thing.
Alright, what I'm supposed to do with this?
Put it in the pan. And put this in the pan. And then you go take it. Okay, now it's something that we make it. I never made it before, so this is my first time making
What?
it. Mashed potatoes.
Oh, hell. You know, you put it like,
Got the pack mash.
you gotta cut it up. Next time you cut it up,
So what else?
cut the like the potatoes.
Before I do this?
Yeah. It boils faster. You just put water in it.
We gonna put cooking broth.
So with the mashed potatoes, you can cut them up into smaller pieces and then boil it so it can cook faster.
That didn't work.
You know I'm a chef, right?
You know how to cook?
I cook for people.
So why you didn't cook for me yet?
I don't
You
fuck
didn't
with,
know?
I don't fuck with you like that.
Excuse me? Don't give me up, please don't. You know what, come reach this. Mine was for jumping. What are you good for?
That's crazy.
Yeah, come on. Open up it.
I got a piss, bro.
Okay, this bathroom right now. Next. Broccoli on the stove. But everybody take this off. I need to put holes in the salmon. Come on.
Toast to our relationship going on 5 years.
5 years is crazy. I mean, you was cheating on that girl that was like best friend.
I'm cheating on you.
We're in a relationship 5 years. What a house at?
I'm cheating on you. This our house. Plate. Oh, no. Where the trash at? We are being cute. Oh, wait, who takes on us? Bro, why you being nosy?
Listen, motivation. Love that for you. Do you do it? Look, I cut him up. You know how to make mashed potatoes? You lying.
But you gotta get like this thing. You gotta like the mashed potato thing. You got it? You don't do.
We can have one. Let's stop one. Is that in there? No, I don't know.
It's like a silver thing, or I don't know, because you would have been did it. You supposed to peel it before you boil it, man. Like, how you gonna try and be somebody?
How y'all make y'all mashed potatoes?
No, how you gonna try to be somebody's wife and you don't know how to make mashed potatoes?
I'm trying to be somebody's girlfriend right now, not wife.
Okay.
I ain't nothing.
Okay, yeah, alright, cool then. You got a pillar? You got like a little pillar thing?
This shit hot.
Bro, you supposed to been did that.
I'm gonna retard it. Just a little bit though. I got a lot of things. Why are you licking your fingers?
That shit hot as fuck, man.
So it's gonna cool down and go wash your hands. Yo. Don't touch nothing else.
Bro, I brush my teeth, bro.
It don't matter. That don't matter. What the fuck?
I brush my teeth. Like,
Go wash your hands.
Oh my God, bro, I'm not coming over here no more. I'm done coming over here, bro.
How you gonna lick your hand?
I'm not coming over here no more.
Yes, you are. I thought you said this was your house too.
No. Change my...
Hair is clean. That's still nasty. That's fine. But don't put your hands in your mouth though.
Okay. My mouth's cleaner than your hair.
My hair stink.
Oh, it don't stink. I'm just saying it's cleaner.
Anyway.
You look beautiful.
Thank you. You look beautiful too.
Bro, don't call me
Why
beautiful.
you?
Don't call me beautiful for real if I do that to you.
What you mean?
Don't call me beautiful. I'm a
You
dude.
gonna call me
You
handsome?
call me handsome.
That's what you're supposed to do when it's hot. Not lick your fucking fingers. There is enough.
I'm staying here. What you mean to go play? At my house? All I think is to go play at my house.
How long you staying here for?
About 3 days. Bro, you invited me over here, so like, I'm committed.
3 days is crazy.
You think so?
Okay, ain't no more. That's it.
It's crazy to see you in flesh. Is you really?
I'm really wrong with you.
I'm trying to see if you real or not.
I don't even think I'm real. You got out the eye.
What you want for Christmas? What you want for Christmas?
Alright. Okay, let's do this.
What you want for Christmas?
You gonna give me some?
Yeah.
I'm pretty good.
Okay. You see, she is missable. I missed her around listening to this.
No, for real. Look up on TikTok. What am I doing?
Ranch your potatoes, okay, 2 days with their cold water, get rid of them.
Sea salt.
That's with water and add salt to the water.
Salt?
Yeah, put salt in there.
Then what's next?
Salt and water.
Water?
Yeah. Yeah, boil it for 10 minutes, but I'll be ready to boil it. Add butter. You already got butter. Cut it before add butter. They already cut it up. Add about a cup of milk, black pepper, garlic powder. Add a little.
They say whipping cream?
I didn't see whipping cream yet. And you're supposed to add black pepper, salt, and
Garlic paste?
garlic powder.
Garlic paste.
And you just wrap it up. There you go. I love me a chef. It is though.
It smells good though. I should have put it in your face. You want to be technical.
That look good.
You want to taste it?
I'm gonna check. I'm gonna wait. Pretty sure it's good though. I'm gonna wait.
No, just do like a small taste.
Okay.
Get a spoon.
Put a spoon with it.
You sure hold on? You sure not?
Okay, let me guess. Oh, they over here. How do I forget the spoon is over here?
I don't know. Wait.
What that is, bro? What that is?
Butter. It's the butter that smells good. It's like so bad. You drunk.
Hold on, bro. Hold on,
Okay, tasty. Wait. Just a little. I'm not trying to pause it.
That's good.
You're lying.
Oh God, that's good.
What does it taste like?
Mashed potato.
No, do you taste the flavor? For real, don't
Oh
lie.
God, I do. That shit good as fuck. Oh God, like I'll wipe you up for real after these mashed potatoes.
Okay.
Good.
Stir broccoli. Not with that spoon. A different spoon.
Yeah, they good.
No, they not.
Oh God, they good. What are you talking about? Like what?
No, they not.
Oh, God.
This do not have no flavor.
I mean, maybe I'm tripping, but they good.
Yeah, you just drunk.
Yo, this is the beginning of a new relationship. Y'all don't even know. A new relationship in the making. Y'all know to this YouTube channel, right? Y'all know we were supposed to hang out like 10 years ago. And we never did. Because she, no.
Because of who?
She didn't be playing games and then I'll be playing games sometimes. So like, this is our first time
match
ever
my
making
games. We were supposed to hang out yesterday. What happened?
Your fault. You don't even do
No,
that.
what happened? Why was we supposed to hang out yesterday and what happened? Because when I've been bought this.
No, yesterday what happened? Oh, I was doing something. No.
But
okay,
he didn't communicate.
She finally decided to hang out when I got the sun going on at my crib. But what about the 15 other times we supposed to hang out? She told me to go to her gym. That shit was 3 hours away. I'm not going to that bitch. And then she told me,
you didn't want to go because it was 3 hours away.
You already knew, like you should have got the my love. You should have known, like, okay, that bitch was. I already told you, like, okay, that bitch like 50 minutes away, and you was like, oh, okay, da. So it's real to and then we're supposed to go to somewhere else. Bless you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And then we're supposed to go somewhere else, and I ain't never go. So then boom. And then we supposed to do something else, and never do it. And then
Because of who?
And okay, let's be honest. Like, it's not all my fault. It's your fault too.
It's what I fault.
Exactly. So we're not putting we're not
We're
gonna
not
do the
putting
blame
blame on
game.
nobody.
Yeah, we're not. We just both been playing.
Yeah.
And it's our first time hanging out, so I'll let y'all know if I'm gonna come back if the food good or not.
He said these nasty ass mashed potatoes was good, and I ain't
They
really
good
like
on bro. They're good. On God, they're good. I'm not gonna lie to you.
They're nasty. I'm sorry. I gotta
If
ask
you think
someone.
they're nasty, then that's your problem. They're good to me.
I see how people cook for you. No flavor and shit. I was in macaroni yesterday. Did it have flavor to it?
It'll be dead, bro.
Yeah.
Good. But if you look at it, I'm good.
Okay, so you think you could flip it? No. Middle.
I don't think you gotta flip it though. You don't gotta flip salmon. You gotta let it cook.
You think I should flip it?
No, you don't gotta flip it if you don't want to. Like, you gotta let
So
it
the
cook.
seasoning could get like on the front and on the back.
I mean, if you want to.
Oh, this bitch not stuck together. Okay, cameraman. Bro, check out the sides.
Look. New Fendi socks, y'all.
No, look.
Oh,
Look at this.
Is that Lilo and Stitch?
Hmm? Show me the sides.
My socks, they got plain. I got plain socks.
So we got that latte for another 10 minutes. I'm not really a teacher, but
It's okay. You need to learn for when we get into a relationship. You gotta learn how to cook. You feel me?
I'm not even ready for a relationship. You lying?
It's good. I'm telling you, like it's good. I'm telling you.
Why is it still chunky? Mashed potatoes not supposed to be chunky, bro.
No, it's good. You're tripping.
It's good, yeah,
I'm
but
telling
it's
you.
chunky.
Oh, the mash is good. I'm telling you, like it's good. I'm telling you, like you good. Like I might just
You might.
cook you. Just off the simple fact that you just make good mashed potatoes.
It's not even good. You gotta wait. I ain't gonna wait.
This ready?
Yeah, drain it.
What's all these buttons on these pots and shit? What's like these buttons and shit? Like I ain't never seen buttons on pots and shit. Like what the fuck?
I just, I'm gonna play it. Okay, drain it. We're about to take a shot. Give us a second. Ring coming up.
Oh yeah, about that.
I need a little bit more.
You want some more? You want to drink?
No, you need a little bit more.
Oh, no, because you don't drink, bro. Toaster rent coming up.
Toasted him paying the rent, y'all. Alright?
Yeah, I got you.
Niggas to tell y'all how my food was. Look at his plate. He's still licking the
That
finger.
shit was nasty as hell.
You Yo, I didn't even finish.
Hey, listen. Don't try this at home, kids. I'm telling you, that shit was nasty as fuck.
But you ate it. It's gone, Bookie.
Finger some more. No,
He liked the food though.
No, but I do want that piece, so don't eat it.
What you want, the salmon?
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Okay, you did good, man. Can't lie.
I think he just was hungry, y'all.
No, I'm not gonna lie. If it was something nasty, I would have told you. Like, no, you gotta do something else to this, you gotta do this, you gotta do that.
Good boy.
Well, you supposed to Billy or me?
Y'all, he cleaning out his own dishes. Love that for him.
I'm not dirty. I'm very clean. Like, I don't know. And I got what's the name?
What?
That shit. I got that I like everything like neat and like in order.
What's easy?
Yeah, I got that very bad.
For real?
Yeah, so like if I see something in your sink, like I clean it out. Like, I don't like it. I don't like stuff in your sink. Like, yeah, I have to do it. I like my colors in order.
How you like? You got on white, black, and red.
I'm not OCD with like no, like this is perfect. All me though. Like black and like a white t-shirt with black and red that go together. At my head at least.
1 out of 10, y'all. This was I give it a 7.
You give it a 7?
Yeah.
I fell asleep. I just woke back up. It's like 2 in the morning. I fell asleep on the couch. Y'all. Y'all don't gotta worry about it. You feel me? Like, you know, fell asleep on the couch. I just woke up. And I'm not gonna lie. I can get used to being over here on King David. Like, it's clean over here. Like, it smells good. Like, the hospitality is just like wonderful, like top notch. You know, like what y'all girls be doing, clock it. Yeah, like I fuck with it. I think, you know, she's a very beautiful woman. So maybe like, y'all look cute together. Y'all look so cute together. Y'all, you know, just calm down. Y'all just, you know, we taking our time. JK. All right, but anyways, yeah. I'm about to leave because I don't want to overstay my welcome. You know, the first day I fell asleep watching a movie. See, as y'all can see, hold on.
Oh, I'm like, who is he talking?
All right, peace out, y'all. I gotta go. I'm about to go. That's the end of my vlog. I mean, your vlog.